Hello, Charles. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you help me about my problem of my computer?
What's the problem of your computer?
When I open the AVR, my computer is also functioning right now. What should I do?
Maybe I can help you. By the way, what's the brand of your computer?
IBM. Can you come over here?
Okay. I can go there.
Okay. Look, when I open my AVR, you can hear the itching sounds coming from my CPU. What should I do?
First, you have to turn off your power supply. I'll check that.
Okay.
I know. So now, try to open it.
Okay.
See?
Oh, it's not working. I'm gonna try it back. In the back it's okay, but in the front it's not. But it's not really a problem, but I'm going to call my friend Alex. Hello, Mr. Alex.
Hello.
There's problem on my computer. It's about the USB port. It's in the front. It's okay. I know. I mean, the front is not okay, but when I put the USB in the back, it's okay. Can you please come here to fix it and find out what is the problem?
Yes, I can help you.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. Let's check. Okay. No problem. We'll shut down first.
Okay.
Oh, I see the problem. What is the problem? This USB port plug is unplugged. We just I just put it there in the pin.
Yeah.
Okay. We just plug it here.
Okay.
Then you can at the front. The problem. The problem. So, oh, it's working. Rock and roll. Oh, see this one? This is for the north bridge, for the processor. There's no power, so we need to finish the files and everything you want in your computer. Just to make sure if you will get with something on inside your community, be careful with the connections, okay? That's all, bro. Okay, thank you, bye.
Roseanne, come here. Hi, my dear. My speaker is not functioning on my laptop. Okay. Click start. And then go control panel. And then click sound and audio devices. Click mute and then apply, then okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh no. The problem is your mouse speed. Okay. So, first step is go to start menu. Start menu. Then control panel. Yes. Then click the mouse. Properties. Then go to pointer option. Apply and then okay. Then the one. To reset the video keyboard. The first step is to log off the host, the monitor, and the CPU. Then the second step is to disconnect and reconnect back of the and wait for the response. Oh my god, we're waiting for this.
Başından gelen yarışmacı tacı devralacak.
Oh my god. Oh no! We're not having an internet connection. What are we going to do? Do you know how to connect again to our internet connection?
No, I don't.
Go to computer and then right click and then click the manage. And then again click the device manager. And then look for the network adapters and then click the marble icon and then right click to properties and then check if the device is working properly. Oh yes, it is working properly. Then click OK. If still we're not having our internet connection, click start again and then control panel. And then look for the network connections and then click. And then look for the wireless connection. And then check if it is working. If it is working, close again and then look for the IP address if it is in right connection. Click the run and then CMD click and then IP config. Enter and then check if it is connected to the wireless connection. Media is disconnected. Yan. So now right click the network connection to repair. Yan. This kind of troubleshooting is replacing the IP address to a new IP address for us to connect to the internet. And then after renewing the IP address, Now we are connected. Yan. Thank you.
Play again.
And then, check if it is connected. Play again. Yan! Yan na!
Ve Miss Universe 2012
Oh my God. Yan na. Oh no! It is not.
evet Olivia.
The keyboard is not functioning at all. Make sure that it's connected correctly to the computer. Check if this mode is still on. If you connect the keyboard, the computer by using the connector. Try to connect the keyboard to other computers. Device driver or the driver of the keyboard to the device monitor. Check it again. And if it's not work again, maybe the keyboard has a